my holiday catalog kit. You can see my Stampin' Up box just barely came, and of course it says on the side, it's pretty cool. Actually, I don't know if I can move it without, there we go. The 30th anniversary. Okay, so who's excited to see the unveiling of my stuff? So you can see some of the projects I've been working on lately. I'm gonna do a video on this soon. It's a pretty fun technique. It's like just sliding across with your ink pad. It's a little bit hard, but as long as you have what you need, it's not too bad. And then also doing the same kind of technique, but using a stamp. It's actually really fun. I made it into a little shaker card for my little girl's scrapbook. Let me show you a couple more things real quick. Just a couple more things. Here's my little girl's scrapbook. I used a little bit of Memories and More's, some Memory and More, and then I use a pretty mermaid here with that cool background. That's with glossy paper, and embossed it with white embossing powder. Here's my cute little shaker for her. Then I just have to add in my pictures. And then I cased a couple cool cards. I'll put who I cased them from up above. Okay, let's get right into it. The fun stuff here. Let's open the box. Wrapping, of course. The list of my goodies. And oh my goodness, we got some cool stuff. I love this ribbon. It's like that soft, silky, smooth ribbon. Different colors. Ooh, it's gonna be fun to work with the different colors on that. Some things in here aren't brand new. So the ones that aren't brand new, I'm just gonna put a set aside, okay? Because I have some other things in here. What is this? Oh, you've seen this. I did a video on it recently. Just love those. And then of course some other classic goodies. Oh, here we go. We're getting some of the new stuff. That is so cool. I wonder if I should take it out of its wrapping, do you think? You want to see it? I bet you do. I bet you want to see it. Okay. Whoops, didn't mean to hit that. Look at that. Corrugated dynamic embossing folder. Whoo, this one's gonna be fun. Just keep it like that and set it aside. Oh my gosh, you guys, oh my gosh. I was so excited for this. You know, I loved the paper that we had last year in the holiday catalog that was black and white. Oh, I just loved it. And I thought of all the different colors when we're just going through my mind of what can I do with this? I mean, you could even emboss with it. And then of course, let's go to some of the other goodies. Can you tell what color this is? Some more blends. Let's take them out. Can you tell the color? Anybody? Anybody? It's Blackberry Bliss, our returning color. So glad they brought this color back. So light and dark. Those are pretty cool, huh? Stampin' blends. Gotta love them. Oh, I love these. Okay, while we're doing blends, do you know what else they have? I can't see the other one, but they now have, yes, basic black blends. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. This is exciting. I can't even remember what I got anymore. Oh, Mango Melody blends. I got both in light and dark. I just can't find them all right now. And then what is this one? Real red. It looks a lot like the cherry cobbler one, but it would be exciting to use. I think this is the, no, this is the dark real red. How exciting. I got a couple ink pads because do you guys know right now that we're having the ink pad challenge going on? So got two of my favorite colors and I love this Sahara Sand. It's a good one. So I'm gonna do that with my last couple classes and some of this stuff is not new. I wanna only show you the new stuff. Oh, I ended up getting this because I'm gonna make a couple cards that have these. All is Bright clips. Okay, so if you wanna see them a little bit better, there's a little Christmas tree. And then a little, hold on, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. A star. Awesome. So that's cool. Looks like it comes with 20. So excited about that. Okay, we're getting some more good stuff here, guys. Another embossing folder. I have a feeling this one's gonna be a popular one. Can you tell what it is? Oh, maybe you saw it. There it is, the swirls and curls. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. That's gonna be cool. That's gonna be a fun one. I think it's gonna be popular. Just my opinion. Okay, one of my all-time favorite ones that I'm so excited for. You've seen it probably before all over. I'm mostly excited that you can use it for Christmas, but especially to use it for the happy birthday. Because how many happy birthday cards do you make in a year? I'm sure I make hundreds. Try to send out as much as I can. Okay, so let's open up some framelit dies. You want to take a look at these framelit dies? I'm hoping that you can see this okay, everybody, and that you can hear me. Okay, so if you're wondering what this goes to, we have to find the stamp set it goes to now, so give me a second. Hold up, I think this is it. There it is. Okay, I am sorry, but I love blends, and I love anything cartoony, and I just had to get it. Even though I have so many Christmas things, those little elves, and I don't know if we've had a Mrs. Claus before. Do you guys remember having a Mrs. Claus? And I really like these little snowflakes. I like that they have a large, medium, and small snowflake. A little tag. Ooh, look at the little stack of presents. Oh, and the sign. Okay, I'm in love. So moving on. I realize that you may not be in love like I am, but I'm in love. You guys, I was so excited. I actually went to the door and got my box before, right as he was trying to ring the doorbell. I was a little embarrassed. I said, I'm sorry, I saw you come. And I'm really excited about these frosted and clear epoxy droplets, especially the frosty ones. Hopefully you can see the difference in those. So these look kind of more like, I don't know, like a rhinestone. Those frosties are pretty. I can see a lot of wedding stuff I would use those for. Floral things. Speaking of floral, I gotta show you one that I think is gonna be one of the most popular stamp sets of all time. Well, you know, of the catalog. I just love the watercolor look, and you know what, at first I didn't realize the amazing gravity and amazingness of the stamp set, because I didn't realize that this is just one stamp set. I used to do this with dabbing on a darker color in the center with our sponge daubers. Now it's just one stamp set and it looks watercolored. And why I like this is because I can use it year round. So anyways, I hope you like that one. So exciting. Oh, I'm super excited. Just getting rid of a couple things that aren't new in here. Well, it's not quite found the dies yet. I will find them, but I did get the dies, so I'll pull those up later. Okay guys, I'm sorry, but this is my all-time most favorite stamp set in quite a while. Okay, first of all, we all love trees. Second of all, I'm sorry, but my husband loves aspens. So it's a little sentimental, this one. And then I've always loved like trees that have a little more of a, I don't know, whimsy kind of look. And these have like kind of a whimsy look. And I do think definitely of fall when I think of these, but I think I'm going to use it for all year round and make some really cool cards with this one. And then even just the lettering, oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. And okay, of course, here are my framelit dies that come with it. Let's go ahead and take the time to open it because I think it's worthwhile to see it in person, huh? All right, let's get to this. Open it up, and then I will finish up. Oh my goodness. Look, you can cut 3 of these out at one time in your Big Shot and 2 of the acorns. I thought that was pretty cool. And I like this little kind of mountain background that you can do. Oh my goodness. Watercoloring, blends. I'm going to do all kinds of cool techniques with this one. Even like with the glossy paper. Okay, here's a cute little stamp set. Okay, who doesn't love Santa on a moped? And my personal favorite, I love the beach. So yeah, I think of Santa at the beach because he goes to the beach too, right? All right. I was really excited for this one. What I think it's take your pick tool, and it helps you pick up things and all the little embellishments and sequins and rhinestones and things that we struggle with, and our hands have just become like 3 hands, well, clumsy hands. So now we can have that help us. Okay, almost finished. Almost finished. I got some people coming inside and I'm almost done. I'm just doing a little video. I'm showing all my new stuff off. Okay, there are those dies that went with the stamp set. I don't even know where I put it anymore. But anyways, let's finish up. Let's finish up. There's a couple more things. And then I will be done. Okay, this one is a cool punch, and I'm going to make a wreath with this one. Even big or small, I'm just so stoked about that one. Then we got some cool paper in here, and there they are. There's the front of my catalog. Probably lots of glares on that one. And I got a couple papers that I can go through. Oh, here's a catalog without a glare. That's pretty exciting. Ooh, pretty stuff. Okay, let's go through the paper really fast. Okay, this paper is called Festive Farmhouse. And I just love it. I can see a lot of like man cards, a lot of like vintage fun, kind of outdoorsy cards. I'm going to use this a lot with that pretty tree set, the winter one. Ooh, that one looks kind of like candy cane to me. Cool background, a wood background. Oh man, that is awesome. Okay guys, I think I finally found those dies I was looking for. The frosted dies. Here they are. Frosted framelit dies. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, I like this one. It looks like it doesn't coordinate with anything. And then this one looks like you can do a double layer. I haven't quite used it yet, but look at that. It looks like you can do a double layer all on one cut. Excited to play with that one. Okay, what else do I have? Okay, we just got one more paper and a couple more of my markers left, and then I will be done with this video. I hope you liked my little sneak peek. Some of the new stuff coming. Okay, this paper, I could not wait to see it in person. It really does have like a shimmer that looks like a pearl on it, and it has a really cool feeling. Almost like a thick, nice wrapping paper. You know, like a professional nice wrapping paper that you'd buy. I'm hoping you can see this because it is just gorgeous. I love it, and I think this is going to be a very popular paper. So I hope that you got yourself some, or will get yourself some. If you're looking for a demonstrator, I'd love to help you out. You can get these all of these products in September. Until then, just eat up my fun little sneak peek. And thanks for tuning in to CMC Stamps with Trisha Williams. Thanks. Bye.